Man, it's your boy Doze Wolf, and we're back at it again. The sun is out and the guns are definitely out, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not talking about biceps and triceps here. I am talking about ammo. Pow, 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 pow. Poww. And guess what? It seems like the stock wants to follow the bullish trajectory to the moon. So, at the start of the pandemic, gun stocks, ammo stocks have been a hot commodity. We are entitled to our rights here. And guess what? By all goddamn means, we're going to use them. And we're going to hold on to those suckers, right? And man, as you can see, when the pandemic started, we definitely saw a rise in interest in guns and ammo. And it doesn't seem like it wants to let up, ladies and gentlemen. It doesn't seem like it wants to let up at all. This stock used to be a $200 stock at one point. It started off at $200 in 1998. And yeah. But there's other reasons why the stock has fell ever since then. But yeah, that's neither here nor there. But I just took a look at their financials. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Guess what? They are beating the snot out of this revenue in a good way. They're making money right now. And it doesn't seem like it wants to let up. I don't think it's going to let up. Especially since the pandemic has been going on for as long as it has been going on. So I do believe this company will continue to make money quarter after quarter. So I'm definitely taking a look at this stock. I don't know how it slipped. I have no idea how it slipped by me, because I was looking at ammo and gun stocks since the start of the pandemic. I really don't know how this slipped by me. Thank you, J-Bos. I appreciate it. And we're definitely going to, hey, man, hey, I appreciate you too, man. Thanks for throwing the coin to your Witcher. Oh, Valley of Plenty. And if you haven't watched that show on Netflix, it's pretty darn good. I suggest you watch it if you're into sci-fi and things like that. If you're not, hey, man, watch it. So, yeah, man, let's take a look at Poww and see what we can find right now in this stock. So, start of the pandemic, these stocks have been having a really high interest. And guess what? In 2021, this company said, guess what? We ended at an all-time high of revenue. We're making money. Come make some money with us. And it shot up from $1. And right now it's sitting at $7.36. Looks good to me. So let's go take a look at some things, ladies and gentlemen. So what would I do and what am I looking at for the stock at this moment? Let's get some trend lines going here, because look, I'm just going to start here at the bottom of the greens. And that's going to be the low of the lows for me. And also, all right, so I'm gonna do that there. Draw one more. All right. So this is what I'm looking at for current range for Poww. But guys, you know how I do. I like looking at these gaps. So this company definitely has some gaps in it. And guess what? It seems like it's at the gaps. It's at the gaps right now. It's filling the gaps. It just filled it on the way down. And if you can't see the gap I'm talking about, it's over here. currently where the price is sitting. And it's also a small one slightly here. And I'm pretty sure let's go into the daily. And we'll see some more gaps here. So we get some horizontal lines on this chart. Check it out. And I'm gonna go do that at some support. So currently I see a first support at $5.17. Reasonable. Oh, well, $5.15. That's definitely a reasonable price. Definitely a reasonable price to go get in at Poww. I'm not gonna lie to everybody. I do expect the stock market to take a little hit this week. I really do. Everything is pointing towards some weakness to start the week. And hey, if Poww starts the week off with the rest of the market taking a slight little hit, and we get down here to this 515, hey man, we may be able to see Poww, reach some heights, but will it? Man, to be determined. We'll definitely have to go take a look and see what happens during the week as, things go on. But definitely a lot of gaps in this chart. It makes a lot of jumps. It leaves a lot of room to be filled. And, that's not a bad thing, ladies and gentlemen. It's not. It's not. It's really not. So let's take a look at some other things. Definitely found a little trend up here. And let's go take a look. Change the color of this. Boop. All right. So this is the current range I have for Poww. It's currently sitting in the middle of the range, ladies and gentlemen. And while it's doing that, let's see if we can see where it's sitting at least fib-wise. Oh, how did this thing get upside down? Oh, wow. All right. Stop it. All right. I need to change the color on this bad boy. What the? All right. I don't know why this damn thing does that sometimes, man. Sometimes it lets you change it to a different color, and sometimes all the colors change. Yeah, I don't know why it does that. All right. I'm not even sure how this even became a thing. How'd I have two lines here? Whoop. All right. Let's go see what it's doing fib-wise, ladies and gentlemen. Inside of this fib, you know what? I'm going to draw another one because I don't like the way that one is. I don't like the way it's going about. Being placed on the chart. All right, cool. So right now it's definitely sitting at it bounced off a 50 retracement level here. Looks like it found some support there. It bounced off, but currently that's nice, but I don't like seeing. I don't see a clean reversal signal. I really don't. I don't see a clean reversal signal in this one at all. So that being said, it may definitely start the week off this week. Definitely a week with the rest of the market. And considering that we do have a gap down here, ladies and gentlemen, and it seems like that gap would be somewhere where that trend channel that I did draw, and you see me draw, it looks like it may be touching down there. So that's where I probably would start a position here on this company and see how that works out for me. So that's one little place I'll probably be starting the position, and that seems to be somewhere around that 38 retracement level, which is a really good key level. You know, if you do if you know about fibs, I'll do a video on fibs and pretty much how I use them someday when I have some time. Balance my schedule a bit and get to that. So yeah, so like I said, there's that gap right here. It seems to be over here, at least where it would land on that 38, and there's that also, this gap here, ladies and gentlemen. So I do expect this company to continue its profits and break some more revenue records, or at least keep up with what's been going on as far as sales and beating sales revenue. So I do expect this to continue to go higher, and I'm liking it. So, you know, I will be looking to start a position. I like the stock. I like it. I really do. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, we do have right here, this is strong support. And I like that as being a strong support because, hey, look, you see, it was trending downward for a while, and then it made a nice, clean reversal pattern right here. That's the opposite of a dark cloud cover. Very nice, very clean. You can see right here, this green candle that came after this, the first green candle. Man, it pretty much engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. So that was a strong support right there. And that was the bottom of this little box range that we do have. So everything is really dependent on how it reacts to this first level here, in my opinion. Because, yeah, there's some gaps there that need to be filled. And we'll see how it reacts to those gaps. So let's look at the RSI. Let's see what's been going on. See if it's oversold, overbought, or anything. Not at all. It's sitting at a 43. 43 is pretty bearish. It's still in bear territory if it's in the 43. Anything above 50 is definitely bullish to me. So let's go ahead and oh wow, even a 4-hour has a 43 as well. All right, so what I'm believing is going to happen with this stock is definitely has some weakness in it. At least in this midterm, I see some weakness in this stock. We'll definitely see how it reacts to start of the week. But hey man, 515 is definitely looking like a nice little, you know, range for me to go ahead and buy in at. So ladies and gentlemen, I like the stock. Right now it's at $7.35, and it may get hit with the rest of the stock market this week, and all signs are pointing towards that. So if it does break this channel that I drew, if it does break that channel, let me get this off. Jeez. If it does break that channel, we may see it touch the bottom of that range again. And if it touches the bottom of that range again, ladies and gentlemen, or, you know, get to 515, this is definitely a great stock to want to go ahead and purchase into. But everything, honestly, is dependent on how it reacts over here at that line. So that's going to be at a 38 retracement. If it does get down there, we may see some bullish moves. But stocks are very funky. Definitely funky this week. going into next month. I don't know if you guys have been keeping up with the banks, but a lot of fishy business is going on there. A lot of fines, even Deutsche Bank. Hey man, they're in the middle of a scandal. Money laundering, money hiding, hey, you name it. They're in a scandal right now, so watch out for that. So you can see here, ladies and gentlemen, what's been going on. It's been in the downtrend ever since it hit 10. And it may continue that trend downward. So they definitely what is that? All right, so we'll definitely see how it starts this week. Looking at this 4-hour chart, like I said, even though the RSI is reading bearish, I like to see strong reversal signals. And by strong reversal signals, I mean I like the downward candles to be more than 3. And then the next candle that's opposite of the direction, I like to be nice and strong. And I didn't get that. I didn't see that here, so I'm not too confident. Looking at this 4-hour chart and seeing this hammer, the shooting star. I apologize. Seeing this shooting star here at the 61% retracement level. Seeing that hammer shooting star. Yeah, the bears still have control of the market currently. And let's get this horizontal line over here. And you can see they took control still. They still have control. Dip, went above a little bit, but dipped back under. So, I'll definitely wait a little while on this stock, but I'm liking it. I'm liking it in the long term. And I'm definitely going to be updating everyone on this stock. Thank you for this stock. Thank you for bringing it to my attention, J Bose. And definitely thank you for throwing the coin to your witcher, man. Definitely appreciate that. So, yeah, man. Poww. Yeah. It's looking like a winner chicken dinner. But considering the market is going through a little bit of a rut, I honestly don't think this is time to buy. Like I said, I will be looking for some positions. At least I'll probably see what happens here. I'd like to see some strong movement. But I'm expecting a downturn in the market, at least going into next month. So we'll see how it reacts at this level. I might scalp a little bit there. I'll definitely see how it looks. And it's looking like a good little scalpable position. So definitely if I can see some consecutive red candles going into that, I'll probably be looking to buy that dip and get a little bit of money. But something is telling me the stock market is looking to correct itself, and nothing's gonna escape the correction. Nothing, and not even the stock. So we may actually get a great position at 515, or even lower at the bottom of the trend line, or not trend line, but box range that we do have. So this is definitely something to look forward to and look at. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm liking Poww. Right now it's at $7.35. But we may see a nice beautiful entry at the 38% retracement level. Definitely see how it reacts there into next week. But right now, I suggest everybody stay away from it, but I'm liking it and I'm loving it. And I will be updating everyone on POWW. Pow, 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 pow. The suns are out and the guns are definitely out. And they're going to make a comeback. So, yeah. I'm liking the stock. Doge Wolf out.